Let's homemade red beans popsicle at home. This is so easy, even I can make it myself. Look at the red beans. Wow! Homemade is a healthier as we can choose to use soy milk to replace coconut milk. Ingredients are red beans, sugar-free soy milk, brown sugar and popsicle mild.
Of course, you may use normal soy milk, sugar portion to adjust that taste.
I got this cute popsicle mold from IKEA. Wash red beans, drain and set aside. Pour red beans into Instant Pot. Add water and select bean button to cook. After 30 minutes, add sugar at taste.
Sugar portion to adjust per taste, yeah.
Add 250 milliliters soy milk. After sugar melted, set aside and let it cool. Carefully pour red bean into popsicle mold. This is so fun! I love it! Cover lid and let it froze for 6 hours. After 6 hours, popsicle has solidified. Drizzle hot water on cup to release it from mold. Ding dang! Red bean popsicle is done. Mouthful of red bean. Yummy! Red beans popsicle needs to sweeter so it's tastier. You may also use cup and chopsticks to replace popsicle mold.
Today, we will boil old cucumber corn soup. Ingredients are old cucumber, carrot, corn, and dried squid. Share this recipe with your family and friends.
Let's boil anchovies broth today. This broth can use for many recipes. Ingredients are anchovies, carrot, onion and chopped garlic, cubes, carrot and onion. Stir fry anchovies until fragrant. Stir fry onion. 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Add 1 bowl hot water. Pour in carrot and let it simmer. Season with chicken cubes, salt and pepper powder at taste. Soup broth is done. This soup is sweet and can be used in many recipes such as fried noodles. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in next videos. Bye bye.